Hello everybody, my name is Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Quaintly and Company box. This is the May 2025 box, shipped all the way across from the pond. You're gonna get a beautiful box just like this. It actually comes in a custom plastic wrapper, so the box is greatly protected, and you open it with a, tear the cardboard back. So it's really nicely sealed. Nothing's gonna escape upon getting to your house. You get a little sticker like this, beautiful Quaintly and Company sticker. And this is what the box looks like. So the May 2025 box is called Northern Escapes. They always have a beautiful picture. This is the northern part of the UK, of England, and they call it the Peak District. And on the back of the card lists everything in the box with all the pricing. And we always get a really nice pamphlet. So Quaintly and Company is part of the Love British Styles company. Again, they're mentioning Northern Escapes, and this is what your box looks like. So it's a little confusing even to me when I say Quaintly and Company, because on, like, say, Instagram, they're listed as Love British Style. Twitter, they're Quaintly UK. Facebook, Love British Lifestyle. So this is a British lifestyle box full of things that you would buy if you were traveling there and picking up souvenirs or snacks or food, something really nice to take home. And every time I get this box, I'm so appreciative, number one, that I get this box. And number two, I always read this book that they have, because it's always filled with really nice photographs. It tells you about different towns. They're talking about the Lake District in northern England, and you can visit cities like York, and there's also the Peak District, where you can visit villages like Bakewell and Castleton. And here's another place in the northern part of England called the Northern Coastlines, where you can go to Whitby. And they talk about having afternoon tea, going to Hayworth and Bronte country, where the Bronte sisters lived and wrote their books. So it's just really always such a motivating kind of pamphlet book that makes you just want to book a trip to England, to tell you the truth. So let's get into the box. I'm going to go through what's on top. We got crisps. They're equivalent to our potato chips, and this is by Lister's, and they're cheddar cheese and onion crisps. I found that all their crisps in the box have been absolutely delicious. I eat some, I share it with my son, my husband. It's been a really nice treat. And then we also got two cookies individually wrapped by Island Bakery, and they're oat crumbles, very nice. And then we got 5 teas. We got one organic peppermint, Earl Grey, and English breakfast. This is by, I believe, Taylor's of Hargate. I love Taylor's tea. I've had it many times in the States, and they often pack their boxes full of this tea, and it's really a great treat. So all the tea and the snacks, they list it as a value of $6, which I think is a really good deal. Okay, then we got a pin. We always get some kind of pin or little charm. And this one is actually handcrafted in the UK. It's pageant pewter, and it's of a little sheep. Well, little. Sheeps are big, but this pin is very little. And it's retail value at $5.50. And it's a crafted pewter sheep pin, great for animal lovers. You can add it to your hats, to your bags, to wherever you want, on your clothing, your scarves. So far, I've been collecting these. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with all these pins, but they're really cute. I'll probably maybe stick them all on a hat. I do like ball caps, and especially when I'm having a bad hair day. But these are really nice. All right. Then we got some Pure Lakes Muscle and Joint Bath Soak. It's black pepper, ginger, and chamomile. And this is valued at $21. This company is located in the Lake District. I did open this yesterday. You can pour some drops directly into your bath water, or you can massage it right into your skin. Has a little pump bottle. It's really a nice size. So this is 50 milliliters. I was trying to figure out how many ounces, because we use ounces here in the States. I don't know, but I'm gonna tell you, it smells delicious. Can I smell it? I can smell it, but it's really nice. It's really, I smell everything. I smell the ginger, I smell the pepper, and I actually smell the chamomile. And it's really nice. Oh, it's locked. It's locked. So I'm not gonna pump it out right now. I'll make a mess. Knowing me, I will make a mess. But that's really a nice item. I love the unique type of beauty and bath supplies we get in these boxes. Then we got a set of wax melt. They're from Whitby Harbor Wax Melt. They're hand poured in Yorkshire. And this is valued at $8 US. It's in a nice little cardboard box. I'm gonna see if I can open this. I'm probably gonna have to, unfortunately, rip this. I was trying to open this yesterday. Not gracefully opening the box. Ooh, wow, it's a very pretty. This is the first time I'm actually seeing them. They actually have a little stamp imprint in them of a flower, and as you can see, we have 8 wax melts, and smells clean. It smells really pretty. I don't know what it smells like, tell you the truth. It's kind of weird. I don't know what I'm smelling, but because the ingredients, I don't see the ingredients. It just says 100% natural and renewable soy wax. I really wish I can tell you what I'm smelling. It says long-lasting fragrance. Us Americans just wants to know everything, right? I'll just accept it as a beautiful wax melt that it is. And then we got this little box here, and usually looks like a mug box, and that's exactly what we got. We got a Yorkshire, Northern England mug. Beautiful ceramic mug, a wraparound pitcher. I love it. I love mugs. You can never have enough mugs, at least in my lifetime. And it is worth $18. It's by the Vivid Squid. Isn't that a cool business name, the Vivid Squid? And yeah, this is from a view of Yorkshire countryside. Vivid Squid mug. And then the last thing we have in the box, let's fold it just like this. This is a pillow cushion from the Peak District Pillow Cushion, also by Vivid Squid UK. So that's pretty cool, the 2 items here. And this is worth $25 US. I didn't take it out of the wrapping, but I'll do it right now. It's you can fit your pillow form in here. I'm gonna have to look around the house for a nice pillow form, or take out a used, I have some pillow forms that need replacing, but it's really pretty, very pretty. It says Peak District. It's made of a canvas. This looks like maybe 16 by 16. You have a really nice zipper in here. All right, I'm gonna have to play with this, because you know, oh, there we go. Very nicely made, very nicely made. Okay, and the colors are nice and neutral, so I think it'll fit, I know it'll fit my decor. So there we go. So that is the May 2025 Quaintly box. It's such a treat, this box. Makes me want to jump, like I said, I want to just go to England tomorrow, because outside of London, which London is a beautiful place, there's so many different areas and towns and villages and cities to visit in England and in the whole UK itself. So let me do a quick recap. We got the nice pillow cushion. We have this really cool mug, Yorkshire Northern England mug, the bath or direct to the lotion, direct to the skin massage oil, muscle and joint bath soap. We got the beautiful wax melts. We got the pin of the sheep and the snacks. We have the teas. You can see I have a professional setting here on my bed. The cookies and the crisps. So what do you think of the box, guys? Lisa 10 will get you $10 off your subscription, like a 3, 6, or 12-month subscription. Lisa 10, I'll leave you the details down below. I don't profit off of you using my code. They just give it to me to pass on to you. And I think this box is actually for 2025, it's been my favorite. I don't open a lot of boxes on my channel. I'm actually really picky. I used to open a lot more. This one here is a sure winner. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you come back and visit me again soon, and I will see you all in the next one.